Hey y'all, back with another quick wig install this week, and this unit is by the one and only Luvme Hair, one of my favorite companies. So let's see what we have in the box. I did purchase the Afro Curly Undetectable Invisible Glueless Frontal Lace Wig. That's a little tongue twister, which I'll show you in just a moment. I also received a pack of nude wig caps, which I use. These always come in handy, and there is 2 in a pack. I also received a $5 gift card. Something is better than nothing, but it do expire in 3 months. I don't know if I'm buying another wig that quick, but oh well. Thanks for showing a little appreciation, Luvme. Then they give you this cute little zipper pouch. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. So we have a Luvme headband scarf. Also a pack of small hairpins, bobby pins, whatever you call it. You also get a cute little Luvme hair bling clip. Then we got a tweezer, which is always useful, as well as a edge comb brush. I think that's what you call that. And that's all you have in there. And then they do provide a little pamphlet that just explains how you care for your wig and answers some frequently asked questions. Now onto the wig. Again, this is the Afro Curly Lace Front Wig. I did order a 20-inch, but you can order it anywhere from 14 to 28 inches. It is 180% density, which is my preference. It's a natural black as well as pre-plucked. And of course, it is human hair. So you do have several combs in the wig. You have this one here in the middle, as well as the one at the very back. You also have your 2 side combs, one on the left, as well as one on the right, and your 2 adjustable straps at the back. Yes, it is a full frontal lace front wig. It also comes with a little bit of baby hairs in the front. I do feel like the lace is a little bit light, but you may need to use a little powder or makeup to make it blend depending on your skin tone. So far, so good. But this is exactly what the unit looks like without any products. I'm just finger combing it. There's not a lot of shedding going on or anything like that. So I am excited to go ahead and get this on. And I just wanted to show quickly what the front of the lace looks like. I just used a little foam wrapping lotion to push everything back so it's easy to put on. So I do have my hair in just some individual plaits with my natural hair, but you can do straight back. It is curly, so your braids do not need to be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. I don't cut straight across. I just do like a little jagged cutting as I go across, just to kind of make it look a little bit more natural once the wig is secured. I am using my Ghost Bond XL to secure my wig. This is still the only thing that I'm using right now, but I really want to try something else. I don't know about you guys, or for whatever reason, I just don't feel like the glue is sticking or securing my wig as good as it used to. It's not really hot where I am right now, so I can't really blame it on that. But again, if you guys can recommend something else that's a little bit more secure, I guess, then definitely leave that in the comment box, because don't nobody want their wigs lifting or whatever throughout the day. Even though I don't wear my wigs consistently, but still when I do wear it, I don't want to have to worry about that sometimes. So we're just going to give it a couple of minutes to let the glue dry. You know, you want to make sure you have a clear coat. That's when you know it's dry, and then you just go ahead and line it up where you want to place the wig. I always use my handy dandy rat tail comb to go ahead and apply a little bit more pressure. That way I can just use my finger to kind of place the wig and then use my comb to go ahead and secure the front. So if you see my other video on the Beauty Forever Honey Blonde highlight wig, you'll know normally I use Got to Be Free spray on the sides. So one side I am going to go ahead and use my Ghost Bond just because I want to see how it holds up with this wig, because I'm kind of having some concerns already, but we'll see. And then on the other side, I'm going to use my freeze spray so I can kind of see which one is going to work a little bit better with this specific unit. It already came with some baby hairs in the front, but I always have to end up redoing the baby hairs either way, whether it comes with it or not. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Just at the front here, nothing too crazy. I'm not a big baby hair freak, but this wig, I figured it would look pretty cute. So we'll go ahead and get that done. I am using my Moroccan Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel, which is one of my favorites. Another thing that I do like to do, I'm not going to show it in this video, but I did show it in my last video. Once I finish my baby hairs, I always like to spray a little bit of the Got to Be Free spray on my fingers and rub it where I created my baby hairs. And then I'll just take a little blow dryer and blow it, and then that just kind of helps it stay in place. Now I'm just using my misting spray bottle. It just has water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This helps to get the hair completely saturated, so I will do that all throughout. Now I'm just going to add my leave-in conditioner, which is a Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. It is my favorite. It smells good and it's lightweight, so I'm just going to finger comb that through while the hair is saturated with the water. A little bit of shedding at this point, but that's okay. I like my hair big, so I am combing it through. It's just going to give it a little bit more volume. So if you don't want that, then I suggest you skip this part. Next, I'm going to add Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. I've been using this on my natural hair, so I thought it would be really good to use on this curly hair. And I actually really like it. It has a light smell. It's really lightweight as well. And again, you're just going to finger comb it all throughout the hair while it's saturated. Is as normal, missing someone. Of course, listening to music, got some Lil Wayne on, got money, so got caught up right quick. And then you're just going to go ahead and repeat it on the other side, saturating the hair with water, adding your leave-in conditioner, as well as Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. All right, and that is pretty much it. The wig is done. I am just going through a little bit more using my water bottle with the leave-in conditioner just to make sure it's saturated, and finger combing, and you are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick wig install on my new wig. If you have any questions or comments, definitely drop them in the comment box. We'll be sure to answer. Thanks to all of our subscribers, and if you're new here, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good week, guys. Bye.